More what? More what?
Then there's small candy, Oma.
Small. Small.
What is the second?
More what? What's that? Sit.
Okay, next. Right. She's not too good with the flashcard. She won't remember. Hey, you viết chữ cho nó tìm, nó fill in it, then she remember. Put your Kumon back in the back.
More what?
Sycamore.
Sycamore?
Where?
More?
What? Mama.
What do you say? What do you say? Thank you, Ope. Say thank you, Ope. Pika pika.
No. No.
Okay, yours?
No. No, eat it, Mama. No, eat it. Call you Mama. No, eat it.
That's yours, Ethan?
No, eat it.
Don't eat it?
No, don't eat it.
Yummy?
Yes.
Say thank you, Ope.
Thank you, Up.
You're welcome, Ethan.